Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 19th, 2022. We are here to speak on why in the world is Bitcoin Cash dropping in price? Well, it's simple. People don't want to buy it. All right, that's the simple answer to a simple question. Price goes down. It means that people are not interested in buying the currency at that particular price. So the market has to go to a level that is attractive to buyers. And that is why Bitcoin Cash is currently trending down. I'm going to talk about that on my video today because you guys can see it. I was predicting that Bitcoin Cash was going to go higher, and that has not been the case. And at some point, when you see price not going your way, you need to wake up and face the fact and say, all right, cool, I need to move. I need to revamp or revise my idea and follow the market. So I'm going to do that today because I did not get this last one correct. Now, I will tell you though, that when I did my video in Bitcoin Cash on September the 13th, right here, that the buyers tried. Like, we got to give the market credit. And if it doesn't come to pass, then we got to say, all right, it didn't happen. Look at this right here. I want to show you this. I had my area of support in Bitcoin Cash around $116, meaning as long as price held this area, I was going to expect Bitcoin Cash to continue to try to trend higher, right? Now, on these particular days, the 14th, the 15th, and the 16th, that happened, right? The market actually came and maintained that level, and we actually saw the price in Bitcoin Cash on the 17th of September try to go up. But then immediately, the next day, price in Bitcoin Cash fell right there. The next day. So the market told us on the 18th of September that you need to come in and change your idea. So even though I maintained the idea of us holding price around 116 and the market buyers actually did that, they failed on the 18th. So now that tells me that we need to adjust. We need to come in and revamp our idea as to where Bitcoin Cash is going to go. So yeah, it didn't pan out right. So if we were to get out the market now, we will be down about 15, almost 16%. Okay, it happens because sometimes the market doesn't work the way that you expect it to go, even though we give the market credit because we can see that they tried to do it. And that's all we can ask for, is that they try. And they did, but it didn't work out. So let's go ahead and talk about the market and Bitcoin Cash going forward here. So now the question is, this horizontal line, which I identified into the market of Bitcoin Cash, is still going to be important. Okay, so let's not think that price is going to crash. Let's not think that price in Bitcoin Cash is going to plummet, because this area right now around 110 is still important. We can still see the buyers into the market in Bitcoin Cash come and hold this level. But looking at this on the weekly chart, okay, you all can see that over the last couple of weeks, we need to really collectively put all these price bars together. The weakness into the market in Bitcoin Cash started right here on July the 25th, 2022, and it was still seen on August the 15th, 2022. It was even seen here, August the 22nd, 2022. What I'm showing you are all instances of us noticing weakness, okay? We saw weakness on the last week. So from a weekly perspective, Bitcoin Cash really doesn't look that bullish. It doesn't. The only thing that would keep price from falling in Bitcoin Cash is that $110 price. That is it. And the market currently is trading below that level right now. Looking at Bitcoin Cash on a 2-week basis. Now, even here on this current 2-weekly price bar in Bitcoin Cash right here. Okay, we have 6 days and 13 hours left, but right now the idea would be for Bitcoin Cash to continue to go lower, like right now, because we're still seeing it on a 2-weekly time frame. Now, outside of $110, this will have to be the next area on these 2-weekly price bars down here, to where the low came in at $97 to like $95. That will have to be the next area that we can see Bitcoin Cash come in and maintain. Okay, now check this out. We're going to push this chart all the way over to look as if on Coinbase, right? So let's go to another chart real quick. Let's see, let's go to Kraken. Okay, so here's Kraken. So this information goes all the way back to like 2018, and the market actually may make all-time lows in Bitcoin Cash. The all-time low looked like it came in around $73.60. So the market may actually come all the way down to that level and test it. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to get everyone prepared for that to occur in Bitcoin Cash. Okay. So get ready for that. Looking at Bitcoin Cash on a monthly basis, we have 11 days and 13 hours. And again, like the idea that we're seeing on the chart is not bullish. We have to wait until, if you're trying to be a buyer in Bitcoin Cash, right? The market is giving us what it's thinking, how people are actually moving. They're doing more selling than they are buying right now. So if you're trying to be a buyer, the chart is telling you that you might want to wait, because we're definitely seeing weakness on the chart in Bitcoin Cash right now. So the idea will have to be us looking for the market in Bitcoin Cash continually going down in price. Now, like I said, my idea is that we can still see some buyers come into the market, initially come in right there around 100. We can still see that, because that is going to be my first price target. It's going to be right here first, around, I'll say like 102. That would be the first price target. And then my second one would be around like $98, $97. Okay. So now let me cut this out. Let me get rid of this up here at the top. And we're going to look for price in Bitcoin Cash to drop. Okay, because that's what the market is showing us. If it showed us any indication of price going up, then I will show you all that as well. But we're not seeing that currently. So we just need to get ahead of the game. We need to make sure that we understand how our opponents are moving in this space. Okay, so now that first price target that I mentioned was around 102. So we'll do around 102. You can see that will give us around what, 6.25%. Okay, 102. The sooner that we find buyers, the better. Okay, the longer that it takes for us to see buyers enter the market for Bitcoin Cash, that's not a good thing, because it means that we're going to go lower. So we got 102 first. Second area is going to be around $96.85, $97. That's around 11.42%. I am not going to anticipate price going all the way down to all-time lows just yet, but it's something that we need to be prepared for. Okay. And that's it right there. So I got two price targets. The first one is like 107, 106. I'm sorry, not 106, 102. $102 is the first price target. And then like $97 is the second. Okay, because I really want us to see the buyers show up. But they're not showing up in the long term. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it right there. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.